working in a global company, we've definitely had some words misheard.
Right, great. Okay, Tim, let's sip it.
Ship it. Let's ship it.
These things can happen. We all know that we have software to help us with written text, but until now, there was nothing for spoken word.
Sophie, please stand.
Okay, I'll do that now.
Send. Send me the report now.
Okay, show me your data.
Sure.
No, not your data, your data. Okay.
Show me your data.
Oh, with accent understanding technology, the whole team feels more confident. And knowing they're understood, they can focus on their work.
Yes, we can finally this.